In today's video, I'm going to be putting a bull bar on the Hilux, and it's about time. It's seriously going to change the look of the Hilux and make it look that much bit tougher, and I seriously can't wait to get it on. It's going to look awesome. It's all packaged up right there. There's a bunch of stuff for it, like plates for the bottom part, winch section for it, and obviously the main bar. It's all wrapped up, ready to go. So let's unpack it. They actually packaged this insane. There's like rubber, more cardboard, rubber, more styrofoam, all this stuff. I'm actually really surprised that that's actually like that. I thought it would just been like one bit of cardboard and some wrap, done. I've seriously been unpacking this thing for like 15 minutes. It's so much packaging. All right, 2 hours later, and I finally have the bar out of its packaging, guys. And let's have a look at it. Check it out. I got an Iron Man 4x4. It's not the one that has like the fog lights right here. Obviously it has the indicators and stuff, and it accepts winches, which is awesome because I have a winch coming, or need to buy a winch even, and it just looks good. It's pretty simple. It's going to have the flat plates that go down, and then one that goes underneath there, and obviously on the other side as well. It's going to look awesome and way better than that stupid faded black bumper bar that's on the Hilux right now. I have a light bar sitting in my room, but I'm not sure if I want to put it on there or if I want to put some spotlights on there. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do. Maybe leave some ideas down in the comment section. Let's do one of the most satisfying things you can ever do when you get something new, and it's this. Ready? How good's that? All right, so I didn't film it, but I got the bumper bar off, the grill off, and everything else. So I've just got to put the front bracket on here, which holds the winch and the bull bar. So it should be pretty simple, and it's gonna look sick. It looks so weird like this, all busted up and weird. It's gonna look so good when there's a nice stainless steel polished snorkel going all the way up there. I seriously can't wait for Kraken Engineering to get that on. It's going to be so good. All right, I'm going to be honest. This bracket has taken me over 2 hours to install because the instructions are not that great. It's like, it just says, all right, put all the bolts in, go. And I literally had to figure it out. Oh, it sucked. But we're there. I've got them all in. This is the bar, or the support for it. The winch is supposed to go on there, but I don't have one yet, so we'll have to do that later. But yeah, it's time to get the bull bar on. All right guys, so the bracket is on and it's time to put the bull bar on. I've got my housemate here, young Rossano, and we're gonna lift it on. Hopefully it slides on pretty easy, and then I'll have to get under and do some bolts. Let's see if it goes on, eh? Oh yeah. The safety boots. Safety first one. Oh, wait, not bad, eh? Jesus. Hey, that's actually kind of lined up. I think it needs to come up a little bit. Alright, so there's some really annoying bolts in here that I've been trying to tighten up, and I can only get like one rotation on this, and it sucks, but the bar is in place pretty much for now, and it's looking really good. Obviously I got a gap along through here and there, and to put the grill on, but I don't think I'll be able to get to cut the bumper tonight and get everything on, but I'll be able to get the grill on. But it's looking so much better. What do you reckon? You reckon it's good?
I reckon it's looking good, mate.
Yeah? Like, it looks so much better. I'm fucking wrapped with that. Can't wait to get the grill on. Need to get a winch in there with some nice stuff, and I still need to get some under panel things that go on here. So once I got those on, I'll update you guys. But it's looking so good. Oh, why the fuck's there so many birds? And guys, it's pretty much done. I have the skid plates on the bottom. It's looking sweet as. Oh, it makes the car look so much better. Obviously I still need to cut the plastic into there from the old front bar. I need to spray this gloss black and the badge as well. And then we can wrap it, guys. Alright guys, that is the bull bar install done. Tell me down in the comments what you thought of it. Do you think I should have got a MANS bar, TJM bar, or a full custom Razzler bar, or something else? But seriously, I cannot thank Ironman Discover 4x4 enough for giving me a massive deal on that. So if you are going to get a bar, I highly recommend going there. They can get it done within 3 hours or whatever if you book it in with them, and drop my name as well. Also, I know I said in the last video, if that video gets 200 likes, I'll wrap the car in the next video, but the car is a little bit dirty because I went full driving yesterday. We had the car meet and I've had a bunch of stuff on, but the wrap is sitting in my room, and if you join the live stream, I've showed you guys what color it is. Also, that is mud on a brand new bull bar, and look how dirty my wheels are. That means I went full driving, so get keen. I went out to Nearham with a Shorty, a D22, a GQ, and a bunch of other stuff. Guys, if you do want to go that step further and support the channel and support the build, you can click the join button down below and become a member today for only $2.99, or there's some other prices in there if you really want to support. I've got some new perks coming for those as well, so I think the third tier, you'll get your name on the tailgate once it's all wrapped. I'll write it on, or maybe get some stickers printed up, so that's going to be awesome. If you want to support and get your name on it, you can do that. If you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button as well, and let's get this video to 250 likes and smash last week's video out of the park. Peace.